1 0 1 1 1 0 1 base 2 to what? To base 10. Solution. We have 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 base 2. The first you need to do, what do you need to do? You attach values from the back. This is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's add the expanding form. What would that be? 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 6. Then we move to the next one. 0 times 2 raised to the power of what? 5. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 4. Then the next one, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Then the next one, we have plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of what? 2. The next one, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1. Then plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Now, we simplify. 1 times, what is 2 raised to the power of 6? 2 raised to the power of 6 is 64. Plus, and now, look at this term. Is 0 times any number is 0. So, any term you are having here, and that term is having 0, it means that particular term, the result is 0. So, this is 0. Then, plus what? 1 times, what's 2 raised to the power of 4? 16. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 is what? 8. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2, 4. This term will become what? 0. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Any number raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1, provided the base is not 0. If 0 raised to the power of 0 is not equals to 1. But any other number raised to the power of 0 is 1. Please take note of that. 1 times 64, 64. Plus 0 plus 1 times 16, 16. Plus 1 times 8, 8. Plus 1 times 4, 4. Plus 1 times 1, which is what? 1. Now, let's add together. 64 plus 0, 64. Plus 16, that's what? 80. Then, I've taken from here, for the first 3 times, this plus this plus this. Give us 80. Now, let me take from 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Then what will I do? 80 plus 13, what will I have? 93. And what base is that? Base 10. That is the answer to the question.